Hello students of class 6. Good morning. How are you? I hope you will be fine. My dear students, today we are going to discuss some true or false chapter 3, the Shepherd Treasure. I hope you will be listening carefully. My dear students, here are total 26 true false. First, Shepherd was very poor. True or false? True. Because he had no money. So, Shepherd was very poor. Right? And now, second point. He lived in Japan. True or false? False. Because he lived in Iran. And now, third point. Shepherd was very wise. Yes, Shepherd was. He was illiterate, but he was very wise. So true. Right? And now, fourth. He was an educated person. He was an educated person. Fourth, he was an uneducated person because there were very few schools in his country. Fourth. Fifth, he had a big cottage. True, false? False. Because he had no home. He was very poor. He had no cottage. Even a small cottage. Four. Now, sixth point. Listen carefully. He had never learned to read. True. Because he did not go, because he never go to school. So he had never learned to read. Right? कभी उसने पढ़ना नहीं सीखा. Not read, not write. And now, seventh point. He did not understand people's sorrows and troubles. Right? True, false? False. He always understand people, sorrows and troubles. Four. हमेशा sorrow and trouble understand होगा. Right? And now, 8th point. Shepherd helped them to face their problems. Shepherd helped them, these people, to face their problems. True or false? True. And now, 9th point. No one came to him for advice. False. Everyone came to him for advice. Because he was very wise. A king thought of meeting him. No, a king thought meeting of him. False. And 11. Shepherd lived in a cave. True or false? True, because he had no home. So he lived in a cave in the forest. True. And now 12th point. Shepherd did not welcome the king. When king went to his cave, king wanted to test his wisdom, his honesty. So he thought to meet him. Shepherd did not welcome to the king. False. He welcomed to the king to give him his meal and drink water. False. And now 30 points. 12 points are clear. Right? And now 30 point. The king was impressed by the shepherd hospitality. राजा शेफर्ड की हॉस्पिटलिटी मीन्स मेहमानबाजी से बहुत ही इम्प्रेस्ड था. ट्रू और फोर्स? ट्रू. हॉस्पिटलिटी मीन्स वेलकम करना. The shepherd recognized the king. Yes. It disguised other clothes, but shepherd was very wise. So he recognized the king, his country king. True. 15 point. The king was not astonished. King was astonished from his wisdom. Why? False. The king appointed the shepherd the governor. He impressed his wisdom, honesty, cleverness. So he gave him reward. To appointed him the governor of a small district. The king appointed the shepherd the governor. True. Because he was impressed from his likeness. So he appointed the shepherd a small district. So he appointed the shepherd governor of his small district. True. Right? Is that clear? And out? No. So people hated him. True, false? False. People loved him for his kindness. He was a helpful man, wise man, honest man. So his fame was very fair. So the people loved him. His fame as a fair and wise governor. True, false? True. Right? And now, other governors did not jealous of him. True or false? False. Other governors jealous of him because he was honest person. Everyone liked him, loved him. His justice was fair. 20. Other governors called him dishonest. Yes, true. They charged him. They complained the king that he had stolen tax money in his iron chest. So they called him dishonest. But he was not dishonest. He was an honest man. Now 21. The king did not call him to the palace. True, false? False. False. The king was sick of other governors' complaints. So he decided to call the shepherd in his palace. He summoned the shepherd to the palace. The iron chest contained gold or silver. True or false? False. Because there was, when it opened, because there was no gold or no silver, no jewel. The king was very angry. True. And now 24. Blanket was not his oldest friend. False. He said, this blanket is my oldest friend. 25. The old blanket was shepherd treasure. True or false? True. He said to the king that blanket was my only treasure. Treasure, it protects me always. And now last point. Now the king was pleased or happy? Yes, king was pleased to see him honestly. So here are 26 true or false. Note these true or false in your notebook. Writing should be neat and clean. Thank you and have a nice day.